This is the future. Evolution.
Let me introduce you to my model, which is Roboshuttle, your transport partner. When the goods arrive at this entry point, this machine will be used to generate the barcode. This barcode will have all the details like the type of material, weight of material, and also the location for unloading. Details will then be sent to the database of the Roboshuttle and the unloading centers as well. This barcode will be printed and pasted onto the material boxes, which will then be loaded onto the Roboshuttle. These data help the Roboshuttle to transport the goods to its correct location. Now let's see the process. Here you can see Roboshuttle going towards its first unloading center, which is rack 1. It has automatically stopped for the unloading process. The unloading process can either be a fully automatic system or a semi-automatic system. Here I am showing a semi-automatic system. This button-operated system will make the unloading of goods to its right floor easy. After this process, the Roboshuttle will move on to its second unloading center, which is rack 2. At every stage, the system will be updated about the materials unloaded and the current location. This will help in the real-time tracking. Thank you.